What's up, y'all? Oh, damn. Tired as hell. Alright, so in today's video, I'm gonna do something easy. Most of you guys already might know how to do it, but I'm gonna be doing how to use the paddle shifters. I'm not professional. This is just how I do it. What are some reasons why you might want to use the paddle shifters? Maybe you might want to show off. Maybe you might be coming in on a tunnel, racing, or you might be trying to think about getting a manual, or you want some variation of how to do it. But first things first, let's start the car. You could either put it in drive mode. Good thing about these Mustangs, you can put it in drive mode, and you can do it for a short moment, and then the car go back into doing it itself. But if you want to have full control of the paddle shifters and continuously do it, just go ahead and put it in standard. Some people might call it sport, but good thing about the GT Premiums, once you put it in this S mode or standard, I have many modes. So if I want to do paddle shifters in sport mode, sport plus, race, my bad, I call it race, but it's track mode or drag strip mode. You have that full control. So right now, even though I have it in sport mode or standard, it's pretty much like standby. That's my opinion of it. But go ahead and put it in one. Roll down these windows. Turn the AC off. And let's get to it. So I feel like most people will say you should shift around 3 or 4, and if you're racing a little higher, try not to obviously redline at 7 and 8. If you get professionally tuned, you can ride it at a higher RPM. But go ahead and shift. And then some people, if you're 5.0 and you're shifting like that, they might think it's standard. But go ahead and downshift. And downshift again. And here it is, gone. With the paddle shifters, you don't have to like do that little pause that I've been doing. If you want to just click it while hitting the gas, you can do that too. But that's pretty much how the paddle shift. Y'all get the point. I'm about to come up to a little under this little overpass so y'all can really hear it. But and if you have tune, you have like a lot of modifications. Sometimes it even so what I'm looking for, make that pop noise. But here it is. But y'all have a good one. Be safe.